everybody, welcome to the kitchen. Today I've got a super delicious cake recipe for you. It's a chocolate brownie cake. It's a lovely one to make with the kids because it's nice and easy and so delicious. And this is what you're going to need to make it. 125 grams of plain chocolate, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 125 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of butter, 75 grams of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 100 grams of plain flour, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Right, I'm going to get my hob and pan out because the first thing I need to do is melt all of the chocolate, sugar, butter and syrup together. First in is the brown sugar. Next, the caster sugar and the butter, golden syrup, and lastly the chocolate. Now I'm just going to keep stirring it. It's on a gentle heat, so just stir it gently until everything comes together and it's lovely and melted and smooth. I've taken this off the hob, so I'm just going to set that to one side and mix up the rest of the ingredients. The first thing we need to do is break our eggs, and we're just going to gently whisk those until they're light and frothy. There you have it, so that's nice and light and frothy. Now all you need to do is just tip this into your melted chocolatey mixture. And just give it a gentle mix. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So in goes the vanilla extract and the plain flour, cocoa powder, and a bit of baking powder, half a teaspoon. And then all you need to do is just mix that well together. Gorgeous, that smells delicious. And now it's ready for the tin. So I've got a 20cm cake tin and it's greased and lined. So all you need to do is pour that delicious mixture into the tin and bake it on 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once this was baked, I left it in the tin to cool down for about 30 minutes because this is best served slightly warm with loads of ice cream, fruit and chocolate sauce. Wow, that cake is incredible. Warm, gooey and fudgy on the inside, so chocolatey, and a lovely crusty brownie top. Perfect served with all of this as well. Such a good combination. I really hope you've enjoyed watching, and I really hope you can't wait to bake your own one of these, because trust me, you will absolutely demolish this. And I'd love to see pics if you do make it, and use the hashtag #StaySafeGetCooking. Thanks for watching. See you soon.